Hello YouTube, how are you this fine day? I am at the location where Washington crossed the Delaware River during the Revolutionary War. I am really excited to show you all the sights today, so let's get at it. Piney, roll them bumps. So many of you have made comments and enjoy my shirt if you haven't seen it. Procrastinators, leaders of tomorrow. And this has always been kind of a motto of mine. In fact, I have 2 or 3 different designs of this same motto. My wife purchased it for me, and it's always been kind of a running joke. And here's why. Because where I used to work, everyone was supposed to be being groomed to take on that leadership role or whatever. And the truth was, I just wanted to come in and do my job and go home. I couldn't care less about being a leader. It didn't matter to me because I didn't care about the job very much. There's just no way that you can be a good or effective leader in a field that you aren't passionate about. I am in the location where Washington crossed the Delaware during the Revolutionary War. And let's just say that Washington probably knew a few things about great leadership. And he could probably teach us all quite a few lessons about what it means to be a great leader. At the top of Bowman's Tower. It is quite beautiful. And the views that you can get from the top of this tower are amazing. Somehow I managed to luck out and come on a day when it's free to be here. So, you know how I am. If it's free, it's for me. Beautiful sights. The Washington's Crossing Park is immense, and it encompasses multiple locations and multiple parks, and they're all huge, and there's all sorts of amazing historical buildings on many of these locations. I definitely highly recommend checking this out if you ever have the opportunity. There's so much to see here, I couldn't possibly show you all of the things that are so cool. I will say this though, it could be cooler out here. It is scorching. Now this house right behind me served as a field hospital while they waited to cross the Delaware River, and apparently lots of people died in this. The woman at the Welcome Center spent at least 45 minutes telling me all about ghost stories that people tell about this house. So it seems to be a pretty fascinating place. Washington's Crossing State Park here in Pennsylvania has been an absolute blast. I would highly recommend, if you have the opportunity, you come and visit it. It's a massive park with all sorts of picnicking areas and places to swim and all kinds of crazy stuff. Man, it's hot out here though. It is hot. So you know what you gotta do. You got to go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I will see you in an hour for the best hour of my day.